Hey everyone, I'm Molly and welcome to your practice. Today is going to be a 20-minute practice, kind of a clear restoration of our energy. So we'll obviously detangle our body with some feel-good stretches, and we'll find a little bit of an uplifting and energizing vinyasa, but nothing too spicy by any means. And then we'll end with some breath work for vitality to help you go out into your day. So take a moment, gather your goods, your props, bolster, block, whatever you need to bring the ground up to you and support you, and then set your space up for intention and presence by using music if you like, or any scented item that can bring your senses into the here and now, signaling to your system that this is your sacred ritual and your time. So always offer yourself what you need. All right, so we're gonna get started in Sukhasana, easy seat. This is a good place if you have a bolster or a pillow you can sit up onto to bring your hips higher than your knees. And we're gonna face the front of our mat. Cross one shin. Actually, let's all cross our right shin in front of the left. And land your body here, start to wiggle around a little bit, finding sways or cat-cow, rocking, whatever feels good. It's a little bit different each day. And then together we'll take some big circles. Let's go in a clockwise direction. So big circles out through the hips, feeling maybe stretch in your low back or the sides of your waist. And using your hands on your knees to guide you. These can be small movements or big movements. And then drop your right fingertips to the right side, sweep your left arm up and over. Take a nice side stretch, grounding down through your left sit bone and reaching to the right side with your left fingertips. Inhale to open your heart up, lift your elbow back, gazing up to the sky. And exhale, twist. Bring your left hand to your right knee, reach your right fingertips back behind you. Inhale, circle sweep your right arm all the way to the sky. And then to your left knee. Take a twist, open to the left, reaching back with your left hand. And then circle sweep your left arm up and overhead towards your left or your right knee. And then land in a little fold here, curling in. Arms are crossed. Heart is rounding back behind you. Lift back up to center. Step your right foot to the top of the mat and curl your left heel underneath your sit bone. So we're landing in a sage posture, a nice inner thigh opener and ankle stretch. Let's rock forward and back on the right foot a little bit. Keeping the weight grounded through the right big toe mound. Couple shifts forward and back. And then plant your right hand on the inside of your right leg, your right foot. Let's bring our left arm all the way back behind us and then forward again, just opening through the shoulder and the thoracic spine. Pelvis is pretty neutral and locked in place. We're really revolving from above the navel here. Moving up whatever pace feels good. Left arm is doing big circles. Finish up your last one. And then slide your left shin forward slightly. Bring your right leg back behind you. So we land in a deer pose. This is kind of a gentle version of pigeon. So knees are bent plenty. We're finding some internal rotation of the right hip and external of the left hip. Bring your fingertips out in front of you. And take a few oscillations here. So as you inhale, push through the finger pads. Bend your elbows out to the side and then unfurl your spine forward and up. As you exhale, slowly drip your body back down. Close your eyes, make it your own. A couple of these waves up and down with your spine. As you do so, maybe you notice a stretching sensation in the left outer hip. Final one, let it feel good. And then we'll meet in our Sukhasana again. This time left shin is stacked in front of right, so you can just slide that right leg underneath you. If you want to sit up onto your prop again, you can. Couple sways and wiggles to land. And then big circles. We'll go counterclockwise this time. Good. Plant your left hand out to the left side. Reach your right arm up and overhead at the same time as you really ground down through the right sit bone, spreading across the right rib cage with your breath. Releasing your left ear to your left shoulder for a nice neck stretch. Big breath in. As you exhale, right hand comes to left knee and twist open to the left. Nice open twist, so we're active here, pushing right hand into your knee and stretching back through your left fingertips. And then sweep that arm all the way forward to your right knee as you twist back with the right hand. Right hand circles up to the sky and then lands on the left knee, and we'll curl into this fold for a couple breaths. Good. Step your left foot as you release the fold. Find sage pose, rocking forward onto the right shin and sending your hips onto your right heel. Plant that left big toe down, take a couple rocks through the ankle. And then left hand plants on the inside of your left foot, big circles forward and back with the right hand, twisting through the thoracic spine. Your gaze can follow your thumb the whole time. Or you could find stillness in your sage. Finish up your last circle. Slide your right shin forward a little bit and sweep your left leg back behind you, landing in your deer pose. Tent out your fingertips, wave up and down the spine, articulating, moving with the breath. Exploring sensation, feeling free to linger if you find a stretch that feels nice along the way. Couple more rounds. And then plant both palms. Slide your knees back to tabletop. Inhale, cow shape. Drop your belly, lift your tailbone and your gaze up as you thread your heart forward and through. Exhale, cat pose, tuck your chin to your chest, push the ground away and round through the back body as you curl your tailbone down. Inhale. Really lengthening through the front of the body. And then exhale, finding that expansion through the back of the body. Couple more rounds, you can stay linear. You could become a little animalistic with it. Just a few breaths to explore. And then downward facing dog. Tuck your toes and glide your hips up and back as you press your palms forward. Knees are as bent as you would like or need. A couple breaths to land. Let it just feel like a familiar shape that you can return to and gauge how the body's doing. A couple rounds of a simple vinyasa. Let yourself get out of your head into your body, linking movement with breath. As you inhale, gaze between your thumbs. As you exhale, forward fold, step your feet in between your hands. Let your head hang heavy. Push down through the soles of your feet and your toes. Inhale, lift up, upward salute, hips drive forward, arms stretch high. Exhale, chair plane, bend into your knees, sweep your arms back behind you. Belly towards thighs. One movement into the next. Inhale, chair pose, hands to heart center. Sit back into your hips. Exhale, plant your hands. Step back through plank pose or lower down onto your knees. Bend your elbows, come down onto your belly. Untuck your toes, cobra pose. Push through your hands, engage your back body, shine your heart forward. Exhale, tuck your toes, glide your hips back. Downward facing dog. Breathe in, bend your knees, gaze forward. Breathe out, step to the top of the mat. Uttanasana. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana, fingertips to shin, crown forward. Exhale, let it go. Push through your feet, drive to stand, arms sweep up. Exhale, chair plane, bend your knees, sweep your arms back behind you. Inhale, chair pose, hands to heart center, a little more upright with the spine. Exhale, plant your hands, step back, move through your vinyasa. Move with a sense of clarity, of uplifting yourself. Inhale, bend your knees, gaze forward. Exhale, top of mat. Breathe in, halfway lift. Breathe out, let it go. Root down to rise up. Engage your glutes, drive your hips forward. Reach up and back. Exhale, chair plane. Utkatasana, palms to center. Exhale, plant your hands, step back. Your vinyasa or skip it. What would feel like it restores your energy? It can be very different each day. Okay, we'll go one more round. Step to the top of your mat. Move at your own pace. Following the cycles of the inhales and exhales and the intuition of your body. We'll meet each other in downward facing dog. And then once you get there, bring your toes out and your heels in. Walk your hands back to Malasana at the back of your space. Could use a prop underneath the hips or the heels. And we'll just land in stillness here. Press your knees into your elbows and vice versa, and your palms towards each other. Close your eyes. And feel prana moving in and out. Feel your nice long spine from crown to tail. Finding alignment and length. And space. Two more cycles. Blink your eyes open, drop down onto your shins, sit your hips to your heels. Bring your hands to the outside of your rib cages or rib cage. So your fingers are wrapping forward and your thumbs are back. And breathe into your hands. Feel the whole middle section of your body. Expanding with nice, fresh, uplifting, invigorating breath, restoring you. One more full breath. Let's gently lower belly or rib cage down to thighs and find a child's pose. Sliding your hands forward, resting your forehead down. Just a couple moments of rest. Releasing into the low back, breathing down into the pelvic floor. Stay here longer if you need. When you're ready, lift up, find a comfortable seat for a little bit of pranayama. We're going to find Viloma 1. So this is an interrupted breath where we will cut the inhale in half. So we'll inhale halfway, pause, inhale to the top of our breath, pause, and then it's just a slow, complete exhale. This is done in and out of the nose. Close your eyes, place your hands on your body somewhere. Empty the air from your lungs and seal your lips together. Inhale halfway through the nose. Pause. Inhale all the way to the top and pause. Exhale all the way out of your nose. Inhale halfway. Pause. Inhale all the way to the top. Pause there. Exhale out of your nose all the way. A couple more rounds on your own. Last breath, let it go. And rest in silence and stillness for a couple moments. Keeping your eyes closed, take an inhale, bring your palms to center at your heart or your third eye. Exhale, gentle bow forward, namaste. Gratitude for your practice and for your body and breath and space. Meeting yourself here consistently with love. And you can blink your eyes open and slide your hands along your body, just taking in the space around you. Noticing how you feel in the structural aspects of you, hopefully a little bit detangled, hopefully felt good, and then just in the more energetic aspects of you, maybe aiming for a little mellow, clear restoration. So Hope you feel great. Thanks for being here, and I will see you next time.